There's like crab legs and open clams. There's all kinds of seafood out here because this is their dinner buffet. Look at these guys eating it up. This is where they poop. There's a bunch of poop out here and food. This is their bathroom and kitchen area. Look, living their best life. Oh my, what a massacre. This is like Game of Thrones. Oh,
But he's
going to get it.
He didn't get it though.
Oh, denied.
Maybe he did.
Denied.
But
I mean, they're catching stuff because their food is down here. Look at all these open clams and stuff. They're getting food. Guys, we're in Yachats, Oregon. He doesn't like being filmed. They did not give consent to film. We're out of here. Whoa, don't get that close to me, sir. Feed me. We came to their restaurant and they did not feed us. Oh, that one just pooped. He said, I'm tired of this shit. It's hard to make a living out here. White seagulls. There's a bunch of seagulls. They don't seem to be having much success. They're very aggressive. Once you start feeding them, they all come, and then there's a bunch of them, and it's scary. Woo! Hey, buddy. Oh, to move away from them. On an unstable area. What is this place called?
We're still in Yachats, so we're getting close to Smelt Sands State Park.
Okay, we're in
And
Yachats.
that's Adobe Resort.
Okay, right over here is Adobe Resort. So this is private property.
Well, this part isn't. Just the,
It edges against private property. This is just, you can come out here.
the 804 trail.
Oh, this is the 804 trail. This is an actual trail. Okay. But this is only a stop on it. Okay. Because this is awesome. Why do they keep going down there where the brakes are? Did a fish possibly get thrown up against that wall?
They're watching, so when they cycle, they bring the fish.
They're not really having much luck. I haven't seen them catch anything. There's a lot of them. They didn't get it. I could watch these things all day. I could spend my life standing out here watching these birds. There's so many of them, though. Ooh. They're getting something because there's a bunch of crab feed out here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the Pacific Ocean.